This is the realistic LAB-1600 ejectable tray turntable. More or less opens kind of like a 5-disc CD changer would. It's got the linear tracking. You can select your song like this. See, it moves from side to side. You can drop the needle where you want it. It'll also play with the tray open, but then if you hit the close button while it's playing, it stops playing while it closes. Then once it's closed, it returns back to where it was playing. Guess they do that so while the motion won't make it jump or scratch your record. Here's a little demonstration.
Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh.
Hit the close button and see what it do.